Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the TheFonoGuy. So in this video we're talking about the latest upcoming Vivo X50 and X50 Pro. They appeared in the renders and a promo video, so make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. So we have seen extensive numbers of leaks and details about the upcoming Vivo X50 series. In the past weeks it has been making waves with its camera pros headlined by the Samsung ISOCELL GN1 sensor and its impressive gimbal-like image stabilization system. We have already heard that there will be regular X50 alongside the X50 Pro model, and now Vivo released official render to back up this claim. As you can see, this is the latest render of the Vivo X50 and X50 Pro. We can see the X50 and its Pro sibling in three of the official color, with the non-Pro X50 being the pink one. It has a different camera setup but seems to retain the Samsung GN1 sensor on top, but will omit that dedicated periscope unit. In addition to the official teaser, Chinese Tipstar digital chat station revealed that the X50 series will come with a 90Hz display and the Pro's periscope unit will have 48 megapixel sensor behind it. The X50 will come with a 2.5D screen, while the one on the Pro will offer a more dramatic colored effect. Alongside these new details, we also get a promo video that show out of the full focal length range of the X50 Pro, which will be capable of up to 60x hybrid zoom. The X50 series is scheduled to debut on June 1, which leaves plenty of time for more details to emerge. So according to the official render of the Vivo X50 and X50 Pro, the pink one is the X50, the single hole stage screen in the upper left corner for plus 48 megapixel rear 4 camera. The X50 Pro is a single punch curved screen in the upper left corner plus a 48 megapixel rear periscope micro camera for shoot. There is a high refresh rate of a 90 Hz, and then there is a version that is not exposed, a strong badge. After having a creation understanding of the innovative technology of the micro cloud platform, it seems to understand the reason why the Vivo X50 is called the professional imaging flagship. It indicted that the smartphone is no longer a simple camera tool but powerful portable photography equipment as well. So guys, in this video, this is for now the update about the upcoming Vivo X50 lineup. Two smartphones of this Vivo X50, X50 and X50 Pro, 60x super zoom and some amazing back camera, latest design of the Vivo. Let's see in upcoming days what more update coming of this smartphone. Also, you have watched the full promo video. As you can see on your screen, this is the promo video of the upcoming Vivo X50 and Vivo X50 Pro. So let me know in the comment section. Also like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos, and in soon I will make a again tips and tricks video on my channel. So let me know which type of tips and tricks you want. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out.